In today's day and age, where social media rules supreme, it's common to come across a pretty face talking about DIY hacks which helped her achieve clear skin. These DIYs that are hyped online may seem like the most natural and affordable way to eliminate any skin problem. But as the saying goes, not everything you see on social media is real. Applying just anything on your face can damage your skin barrier. And here are 5 things you should absolutely never apply to your face. DIY sugar body scrubs are great for exfoliating your skin, but they can't be used on your face. Remember, your facial skin is thinner than the one on your body, and the rough nature of sugar does it no help. It can create small tears in the skin and lead to damage and irritation. If you want to exfoliate your face, use a gentle exfoliator only once or twice a week. Looking for a hack to treat a pimple overnight? Chances are that you might come across toothpaste being stated as one of the hacks. But let us tell you that it is not a good idea to use toothpaste as a treatment for pimples and acne. Toothpaste can cause discoloration and dark spots on the areas where it was applied and can even burn the skin. Baking soda is another such ingredient which is often suggested as a remedy for pimples and blackheads. But according to experts, baking soda has high alkaline levels which can diminish the pH balance of your face and lead to dry skin and breakouts. A lot of DIY solutions will tell you that lemon can help in skin brightening, but do you know that the high level of citric acid can damage your skin? Lemons have a great chemical called psoralen, and it makes you sensitive to light, so make sure that you never use lemon on your face. Extremely hot water strips the moisture out of the outermost layer of your skin, making it dehydrated. That's why you should never let very hot water touch your face directly. You should rather use lukewarm water or take a steam facial, which is actually great for your face. Do let us know if the prohibition of any of these steps works wonders for you. And do subscribe to SHOWSHA for more such videos.